In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image slider to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a sleek, responsive slider that looks great on desktop and mobile without touching complex code. First, head to the Image Slider widget in the Common Ninja catalog. This is where you'll build the slider itself. Upload the images you want to feature, ideally using consistent dimensions so everything aligns cleanly. If possible, use optimized files to keep your page fast. Smaller file sizes load quicker and improve the browsing experience. In the widget settings, choose your transition style. Like fade or slide, set the speed, and decide whether you want autoplay and looping. Turn on arrows or dots for navigation, or use both if you want to make it extra intuitive. You can also adjust spacing, add captions, and choose how images behave on mobile. Take a moment to arrange the image order so the story flows exactly how you want. When you're happy with the setup, save your slider. Then click Add to Website and choose Copy Embed Code. This will give you a short code snippet that embeds the slider anywhere you place it. You don't need to edit the code, just copy it as is. Now switch over to your ClickFunnels page editor. Navigate to the section where you want the slider to appear. Add an HTML code element in that spot. If you're working with rows and columns, place the HTML element inside the exact column to control the slider's width and alignment. The slider will automatically scale to the container it's in, so this placement determines how wide it appears. Open the HTML code element and paste the embed code you copied from Common Ninja. That's the entire integration. No extra scripts or settings required. Click Save in the editor to apply your changes. Finally, preview your page. In many cases, embedded widgets look best in the live preview rather than the editor view, so don't worry if you don't see the full animation until you preview. Test the slider by clicking through the images and checking transitions. On a phone or a smaller browser window, confirm that the slider responds properly and that navigation is easy to use with touch. If anything looks off, adjust the slider settings back in Common Ninja, such as speed, arrows, or aspect ratio, save again, and refresh your ClickFunnels preview. And that's it. You created the slider, copied the embed code, added an HTML element in ClickFunnels, pasted the code, and saved and previewed your page. Enjoy your new image slider.